In this video, I am going to show you how to fix snap error in Google Chrome. So as initial step, you have to reload the page. As an example, if you open Google Chrome like this and you getting the error from here, you can just reload page by using this icon. And then after, you can check your internet connection by go to taskbar, check your internet connection is stable and working. Once it is completed, go to three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and go to setting. Tap on privacy and security in the left side menu, scroll down, tap on delete browsing data, go to advanced tab, select all time, delete browsing history, download history, cookies, cache and other things. If you need it, just tap on just delete data. And again, then after, open your browser, tap on three dots, go to extensions right here, tap on manage extension, disable all the extensions, then try to again reload the page. If it is not working, you can use incognito mode. Just tap on three dots in here, tap on new incognito tab. Then after, close this one and right click on your Google Chrome shortcut, go to properties. In the target field, you can see there is already exist some keyword. Delete those things. Sorry, not delete. Revert this one. At the end of the line, okay, at the end of the exe file, after the colon, take the space, then you need to type dash dash disable dash features equal renderer code integrity. Okay, then after, tap on apply, tap on OK. Okay, you need to administrative permission, tap on continue. Again, right click on the Google Chrome, go to properties, go to compatibility tab, tick on this one and select the Windows 8 and tap on apply, tap on OK. If all the methods are not okay, you can reinstall the Windows. Just go to control panel and uninstall the extension Google Chrome, and then after, download Google from their website. So I think this video is helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel and thank you.